Have you ever gone in front of your audience and it felt like this? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, my name is Patricia Regier. This channel is to help you reach your audience so that they don't tune you out and instead they light up through the experience. Whether that's a presentation that you're giving or you're working with your employee team, you are a business owner or reaching customers and clients, there's some great resources and tools that you get behind the scenes look at and share all that I know with you. So I'm pleased you're here. Check out the videos, reach your audience so that they can light up through the experience that you provide them.